Hey, it's AJK, and in this episode of 2 Minute Tech, what were these hand signs? In this episode of 2 Minute Tech, I'm going to be teaching you how to master mobile photography in under 2 minutes. Now, where is that intro? One of the most important aspects of mobile photography and photography in general is shooting your subject in different angles, and just angles in general. So for example, you're going to shoot an image of some skyscrapers in Dubai, and obviously you've seen everyone's images as sort of normal orientation. But if you get down low, that's not a sort of angle that people usually see it by. It's different, it amazes them, it looks much better. On to the next one. The second tip is composition. This is something that you have to take in mind in photography overall, in videography, filmmaking, all of that. Composition is so important. It can take your shot from being good to like, pow. Composition is all about where the subject is placed in the frame and where you're taking the photo from and all sort of placements. If I'm taking a photo of a mountain with some, let's say like a deer in front of it, I would make sure that the deer is not blocking the mountain view, it's on sort of a side, the mountain's on one side. Make it more different, make it different, make it better, make it unique. This is because it all goes into the overall image experience. Now the third tip on this list is knowing your camera settings. You need to know them off the top of your head, because on a phone, camera settings are not that complex. You need to know which filters are good, which are not in different situations, how to take this type of photo, how not to take this type of photo, autofocus lock, all that kind of stuff. You need to have it locked down before you're on a shoot with your phone. Obviously, it's not going to be some sort of professional shoot. You should be using a camera for that. But if you're shooting something with your phone, it needs to be locked down. Definitely need to know everything about your phone camera before you leave. Because you don't want to be posting Instagram photos that are okay. You want to be posting the pow photos, you know, the ones with the ow. Let me just take a minute. I think we're ready. You want to be posting the pow ow. Yeah, those photos. Just carry on. So incorporating all of these 3 techniques will give you the pow. I don't want to hit my hand, but it will give you the pow photo. Now a bonus tip, learn how to edit on your phone, because it is crucial to having good images and making the pow, which was initially a pow, into a kapow. It's even louder, hurts even more. But I'm burying it inside. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I stayed under the 2 minutes, because obviously if I time, that's why I don't stay under 2 minutes. Anyway, I do hope I did. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and leave a like. I'll greatly appreciate it. Along with subscribing, because that lets me know that you want to see more content like this. Turn on notifications, because you're going to be notified every time I post another crispy video like this one. And that's all for today. I hope I'll see you in tomorrow's episode, because here at AKJK, the grind is daily. Kapow! That was an ow and a kapow together. Thank you for watching.